What is Python interpreter from Lakshmi? You tell.
Um, a Python interpreter is a runtime compiler.
Okay.
Uh, no, it is converted to runtime only bytecode. It completely runtime only, sir.
It completely runtime. Okay.
No compiler and everything is not on the like Java is not available. Most properly, it is runtime, sir.
Okay. How Python interpreter will convert Python code to machine code? Can you tell me the internal process of it?
Yes, sir. It is Python virtual machine is there. It will
Okay.
be runtime only. It will be converted bytecode to binary code to bytecode. Then it will be converted to the output of the one machine is there. Like the JVM is in Java, like that Python also is the PVM is there. Python also it will be when I install the Python that will become internally only.
Okay. It convert byte code to binary code or binary code to byte code. Which one is correct?
A binary code mount file to bytecode, sir.
File to byte code.
Yeah.
Okay, but operating system, I think that it only understand binary code.
Binary code, yeah, binary
So
code to
you say that it
byte.
is used to convert the Python code to byte code. Then how byte code to binary code is possible? Shalu, can you explain it? How byte code to binary code?
Sir, it's convert bytecode to binary code using a PVM.
But you are writing the script on Python. Okay, you are not writing the script on bytecode. You are writing the script on Python, and when you load the when you
Interpreter is to convert the source code to in bit code, and PVM will be convert to bit code in binary code.
okay, okay, this is the process. Okay, Python code to byte code, and after that byte code to binary code. Okay, that is the
Yes, sir.
implementations in Python. Okay, okay, now it's correct. Okay, my other question is there from Lakshmi. How to check that? How to check type of particular variable in Python script?
Type.
Type, type.
Uh, I think it's a type variable.
Yeah,
Cast.
data type,
Type cast.
type.
Data type. You can use the type method is there, sir.
Type method is there, but type method will return the complete description, means class name as well as type name. I want to
Cast.
display only the name, type name, not the class name. Okay,
Cast
when you
method,
will
sir.
call type method, then it will return the result angular bracket class colon int, after that angular bracket closing. Okay, this type of result is displaying in screen. I want to print the only data type name, not the complete description. What you will do?
First of all, I didn't attend the I understand the question, sir.
I only want to print the type name.
Can you share the screen if you are available? You?
You say, Shalu, you understand my question?
Yes, sir, I understand. But I think the answer is a cast method. Cast is basically for to
I am not
uh,
asking the question to cast or type. I am just asking to how to display the data type name. Suppose
print
that,
and type parenthesis and write the type.
yeah, type
Yes, sir.
method return the complete specification. It return
Yes, sir.
complete specification, not the only data type. Okay, it
Yes,
will
sir.
return class colon int. This type of output. I
Okay.
only want to print int only. Okay, I want to print int float this type. Then what you will do?
Okay.
Ty- type of an type of type of variable name we can write in brackets, sir.
No, no, there have some predefined attribute. Python attribute also used. Type is correct, but after type, you will use one predefined attribute. I want to ask what is the name of these attribute.
Yes, sir, I understand what are you saying, but I'm not sure
Okay,
about the
Sachin, you
exact
tell.
answer.
Type only. I don't know.
Type only. What type written? What type written?
Type.
Type written
None.
the complete specification of data type. I only want to print the name of data type. I only want to print the name of data type. For example, you are implementing the Python code. Okay, just a minute. A assign 10. Okay, I just write here print
Type.
type of A. It not written only data type, it written complete specification. I only
Yes,
want
sir.
to print the data type, not the complete specification. Okay, it written this one. This is the data type.
Class name.
It will be written class and data type name. I just want to print int, not the complete class int. This is
Okay,
my
sir.
question.
Okay, sir.
Lakshmi, you can answer no.
Yes, sir. Just we can write type A.
What?
No idea about that, sir. Answer
Yeah,
is no,
we
but
can use the predefined attribute double underscore name double underscore this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
And when
give
you
an
will print this, it
example, sir.
only print the data type. Okay,
Yes,
not
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
complete
Yes.
specification.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
This is the answer of this question. Okay, so you should read in depth. Okay, then you can answer. You can answer of this type of question. Okay, next question I am asking. What is operator overloading in Python? Lakshmi, you tell. Operator overloading.
operating overloading function name is same, sir. Variable names also same. Maybe arguments are the same.
Okay,
Uh, Wait, sir. I can tell you clearly.
okay. You say operator overloading, Shalu.
Operator overloading is that when child class will be remove the parent class information and only access the child class. Means
This is called function
Overriding.
overriding.
Riding.
You have
overloading means
defined.
one method
The same name as a
same
one
name
name
defined
is
in both the
same.
method.
Functionality is different. We can use the plus. It will be adding. Sometimes we can use concatenation.
Okay, yes.
Like that. Same name. Functionality is different, sir. In the function
Yeah,
overloading. The
operator
operating
overloading.
overloading.
You tell, Mr. Sachin.
Operator overloading we can use a one operator and perform the operation different operation. Suppose for example we can use a plus operator and we can do a multiply and
Two and more method
subdivision
having
and
the same name but different parameter.
yes.
Same name and different parameter. It is not the operator overloading. It is the function overloading that is not possible in Python. Operator overloading meaning is that you can redefine the meaning of operator. Okay, means the
One
plus.
function has multiple
Okay,
form.
yeah, plus is
Yeah.
the main functionality is addition. You can overload the plus functionality to perform the addition with adding GST. Okay, adding GST, or you want to do something extra, means addition as well as other operation also you want to perform with addition operator. Then you can overload the functionality of plus. So overload means more than one features. If you want to apply more than one features to any predefined operators, That is called operator overloading. Okay, I have already mentioned that we have used double underscore add, double underscore for addition. Okay, double underscore sub, double underscore for subtraction, double underscore mul, double underscore for multiplication, double underscore true division, and double underscore for true division. Okay, so I have already defined the implementations. Okay. Okay, now my next question is, what is the main difference between list object and a tuple object? The main difference.
A list object is a mutable, sir. Tuple object is a mutable. Once we once we declare the variables, we can change in list, but we can't change in the tuple. That is the main difference, sir. And the list operations is very slower. Tuple operations are the very faster when you are using that.
Okay, that's good. Any other differences, Shalu, accepting this?
List has two memory. One is fixed and one is the dynamic, and tuple has only one memory that is fixed.
Okay, okay. Can you convert list object to tuple object? Is it possible? Shalu, you answer.
No, sir.
It is not possible. Lakshmi, can we convert list object to tuple object? Is it possible?
List object to tuple object. Yes, possible, sir.
How?
Tuple
List
object
object.
will be convertible in list, but list object I don't think so. It's convertible to tuple.
Yeah, Lakshmi, you say how possible?
You can take list object.
List to tuple. I want to convert a
Yeah,
list to
list
tuple.
equal to list we can take a tuple and we can write the list variable name. Then it will be converted. I have not more about that one, but I'm the
Yeah, it is converted using tuple method.
yes,
There
sir.
have already Python library contain tuple method that is especially used to convert a list to tuple, and a list method that is used to convert tuple to list. Okay, it has a predefined method in Python library.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is faster, dictionary or set?
Dictionary.
A dictionary is faster as compared to set. You
Yes,
say,
sir.
Lakshmi, which is faster?
Key and pair variables and list has a no ordering, no anything, nothing is there. So dictionary is faster, sir.
Dictionary is faster as compared to set. So where you will prefer set object in real time application?
Where the duplicate element will be not present there.
Okay, if duplicate element is not present, then you will prefer set. And dictionary?
Dictionary when key value pair will be present.
Lakshmi, you
I said
say?
student marks. Yeah, student marks. That student will be that subject. That student will be that subject like that. And some employees is the some domain. Some employees is some domain in the real time. We can use that dictionary and salaries wise.
Okay. Sachin, you tell. Where you will use dictionary?
Dictionary we can find a within dictionary we can find a particular key and key and value.
Okay.
Uh, and dictionary has a indexing format.
Okay. Okay. Means you can simply say that dictionary, when you want to assign the data using key value pair, then you will use dictionary. In real time application, suppose that you have database and you have tables, then table column and respective record will be managed by dictionary object. Okay, and today in modern pattern, JSON API is the most important part, and API return JSON, and a JSON object also the same format of dictionary, means it also return the data using key value pair. Okay, so that type of data you can also managed or mapped by dictionary object. Okay, so that is the implementations of dictionary. Okay, my next question is, how many type of user defined function you can define in Python? Type of user defined function. Do you know about
There
user defined function?
there are two function. One is inbuilt and another one is a function.
I am asking about not inbuilt type function. I am just asking about user defined function. How user defined function is working.
It is working a class an object when you are creating that
No, I
time
am
we are
not
using.
asking about class and object. User defined function. UDF, user defined function. Or you can simply say that function. How many type of function in Python? Sachin, you say.
Parameter,
Parameter and
parameterized and non-parameterized.
parameterized and
Oh, okay.
non-parameterized. Okay. And how
To
many
keep
type
our
of
argument
parameterized?
functions and
Yeah, yeah.
default argument functions and to
Yes, that. How many type of parameterized function is there?
With a parameter.
With parameter means parameterized.
Yes,
And
right.
there have also the parameterized type. I have already discussed. There are 4 type of parameters is allowed in Python.
With return.
The first one is that required type argument. The second one is a keyword based. The third one is a
yes,
default
default
argument.
argument.
The fourth
Third
one is
one,
a
fourth
variable
one,
length argument.
variable length argument.
And
Yes,
fifth
right.
one is a lambda function also. Okay.
Yeah.
So there are 5 different type of user defined function is available in Python
Answer
script.
is no, sir, but the question is different from us, sir.
Okay, type of user defined function. Okay, their question is this. UDF, user defined function. What is module? Shalu, you tell. Module.
Module.
Unmute it. First unmute.
Module is a collection of a Python file.
Module is a collection of Python file. Okay.
Python
Package.
code.
Okay.
Oh,
Python
Python.
code, Python file. First decide which is correct. Python
Files.
code or
File or
Python
code, both are same, sir.
Python file and Python code. Collection of files means multiple file. Okay. Python code.
Yes, sir.
I think that module
Yeah.
is not a collection of Python code or Python file. Module is a collection of functions, user defined function. Okay, suppose that you want to collect multiple function in a single file and access these functions into the another file. At that case, you will create the module, and you not create module implicit. Explicit. Python provide implicit module declaration. Module name and file name both will be same. Okay. How to call of one module to another module means how to access the function of one module to another module. You answer, Lakshmi.
Import. We can import that module in that file, sir.
Okay, you can import module name and how to access the function, how to call the function.
You can use that module name in that function, sir.
What is a global variable and local variable in Python?
Create an object, then you can call.
What is a global variable and local variable in
Global
Python?
variable is the outside of the when you are creating the variables in outside of the class, then it is called the global variable. When you are creating the variables in the inside of the functions, that is called the local variable.
Okay. Suppose that we have two different a assigned 10 outside of the function a assigned 10 means global variable, and inside of the function a assigned 10 again I am writing as a local variable means both variable name is same. Okay, global variable is also the name is a assigned 10 and a local variable also name is a assigned 20. Okay, I want to call global variable from function body, then how to call it? You understand
Global
my
variable.
question?
Global variable too we can call in functions, sir. In function.
Yes, and their local variable also present with same name.
You can create the object for that class and we can call the
No,
global variable.
I am asking in a procedural pattern, not in object orientation. Suppose that we have only one function. Okay, the function name is fun. I have declaring global variable a assign 10, and I have also declaring local variable a assign 10, and I want to call the global variable. Is it possible? Because their name is same.
Then it is we compulsorily override the global variable in the local variables. First is displaying the local variable only, sir.
And if our requirement is to call global variable, then is it possible in any alternative ways?
It may be possible, but
Shalu, you tell. You understand first
Yes,
my question?
yes, I understand, but I think I don't know how to call.
You say, Mr. Sachin.
Class name.
I have no class name. I am not asking about a class name. Just this type, okay? I am defining depth fun. Okay, this one. And I have also a assign 100. Okay, print a. When I will print a, then which one call? 100. But I want to call which one? Fun. And I want to call this one. Okay, when I will call, then it will answer the 100.
100.
Okay, but I want to call 10 under this function block. How it possible?
you can use some keyword maybe. I think no, it is not possible, sir.
It is not
Not
possible.
possible, sir.
No, sir, it's possible, but if we are using some method, then definitely it's called.
Yeah, global keyword maybe.
This one. Okay, there
I
have
don't
global.
know
There have global keyword.
Global keyword. I don't know global keyword.
This is the global keyword. Using this, you can access the global variable under function block. Okay, so you always say global, global, global. This is the global keyword. That's why it's called global. Okay, their name is global because global is the name of keyword, and you can use this keyword global a. Their meaning is that it point to global keyword. If you normal write a, then it will point to local variable. Okay, that is the difference. How to manage a call by reference operation in Python? Is it possible to call by reference? Or we can say that we can pass parameter as a reference, not as a value. Is it possible to pass parameter as a reference in Python?
Question I didn't get, sir. Pass value means reference means that address of that value. We are asking
Yes.
addresses.
Call by reference. I want to implement the functionality of call by reference in Python. Do you know about call by value and call by reference? There are two different type of calling of function.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so now I want to implement a call by reference functionality in Python. So how to implement a call by reference functionality?
Equal to, then it will be
Shalu, you can
no
answer
idea.
this question.
No, sir, I don't know.
Sachin Kumar. Variable length argument. You know about it? Pointer A. Okay, we pass pointer variable length argument. There are four different type of argument: required, default, keyword based, and variable length argument. So variable
Yes,
length argument is
Yeah.
also used for call by reference because the pointer is used to hold the reference of passing value. Okay, suppose that you are passed 5 different value, then pointer type variable means it is the by default tuple that is used to point the address of calling variable. This is called the call by reference. Suppose that I will use here pointer a. Okay, and I will take here b equal to 20 comma 33, and I will just pass b, then b and pointer a. So a will point to the memory of b. Okay, now you can implement here print a. Okay, the a has nothing, A is a reference type. It is pointing to, sorry, it will point to which one? The value of V means 20 and 3. Okay, that is called call by reference. This is variable length argument is also called call by reference. Okay, this is the implementations. Okay, what is init method? What is the init method in Python?
Init method is a object creation, nothing but a constructor, sir.
Init method is constructor. When you